Alright, hey, what's up guys? Back with another quick video. So what I did was I bought these door handle trim covers, okay? So they're gloss black, and just want to show you the install, see what they look like. They just have double-sided tape, got them on Amazon. I think they were like 17 bucks. You can see this car is the windshield pearl. On the side, I mean, it's pretty bland on the sides. If you look though, it has the black grille, you know, a lot of black on it. It's dark. I tinted it. It's got we got the vent shades on there now. It's got the black on the mirror right here. So I think these are going to look really good, and eventually these wheels are going to be changed. Not at the moment, but it'll all blend. So I've seen these on there. I've never installed anything like this or used anything like this. But I don't know, I think they would give it a good look. So yeah, these are it. I'll show you them a little bit closer here on the little table I got going on. And then we'll get to installing them. Pretty cool. All right guys, so here we go. This is kind of how they come packaged, just in a regular old box. Plastic, no big deal. They're super lightweight. I've already pre-cut these ends. So we'll just lay them out here. Now, mine has the keyless entry on both sides, right? So passenger and driver. So you'll see an option on there for single keyless entry, no keyless entry, dual keyless entry. So mine's the dual, depending on what you have. This is a 2022 Corolla hatchback. So it says it fits Camrys and stuff too, but we're gonna try it on mine and see how that goes. So, as you can see, these two, they're just completely solid. Now, those are the back, obviously. Now, the front, as you can see, this one, right? So that's the keyless, that's the key. So it's gonna be driver's side. This side, only one hole, keyless only. So this will be the passenger side. So on the backs of these, see, it's actually 3M tape. Or unless they printed it on there, I mean, you never know anymore. That 3 looks a little sketchy. But, hey, we'll see how it works. We'll see how it sticks. You could actually add a little more tape right here in the center if you wanted to, because those are thin, but these are so lightweight, I really don't think it's gonna be a problem. But I'm hoping that this will kind of, I don't know, really tie, you can see this grill and everything, really just tie that into the side of the car. It's just so plain on the side, it's just ridiculous. So with the tinted windows and all that stuff, hopefully it'll look good. So let's go head over here and see what we can do. See how these things fit, throw them on. Hope they look good. Let's check it out. All right guys, here we are, driver's side door. This is the keyless entry. You see the little lines. It's probably gonna go crazy on me as I'm doing this. Key, just in case, for your backup. So I just washed this car, so it's spick and span. This thing is super clean. I ain't really got to worry about it. But if not, you're going to want to clean the door handle really good. Get you some alcohol, some isopropyl, put it on a rag, wipe this thing down. All right, just put you a little isopropyl, just wipe it down real good. You don't want that thing having any dirt, contaminants, grease, anything, wax, any of that stuff. If you do, there it goes, angry. It's very mad at me. So, now, you take your piece, and what I would do is go ahead and trowel fit this thing. So just set it on there, and just make sure it's gonna fit good. You just wanna check oh, it fits really nice. Yep, it actually does not interfere with anything. Let's try it, make sure it opens up okay. Actually looks really good. So I think that's gonna work out just great. So doesn't interfere with the keyhole. Let's make sure this still works. It does, perfect. This still works, unlock. Perfect, I think it's gonna work really good. So what we're gonna do, you can go ahead and give that a wipe one more time, especially where you can see the strips, right? So top, bottom, so you know you're gonna wanna clean here, here, you know, the most. But that's it. So we got it all cleaned up. We'll get this tape pulled off, and we'll start sticking these things on there. All right, guys, we got the tape all pulled off. We're gonna go ahead and stick it on now. you're not gonna get a lot of shots at this, really. I mean, this stuff usually sticks, it's on there. It's not gonna hurt your paint, so if you ever wanna pull them off, you'll be able to tear these things off. It might leave a little residue, no big deal. They use this on body moldings and stuff all the time, this kind of tape. It's not gonna hurt the paint. You'll be able to just peel that off, clean it up a little, maybe some alcohol, rub a little wax on it, give it a quick buff. It'll look just like new. So you don't have to worry about that. And I'm curious to these too, how they last in the sun and things to make sure they don't fade. But hey, for 17 bucks, I'll give it a shot, see how it looks. So anyway, when you go on with this, you just wanna make sure you line it up as much as you can. And like I said, you get not a lot of shots, so just go very lightly, very lightly putting this on. And just set it ever so lightly. Line up your keyhole. Okay, so you just set it on there very light. Take a look at your fitment, see if you like it. All right, see if you can live with it. After you do, you're gonna wanna apply pressure. All where that tape is, just hold the pressure on it, let that sit. Just for, I mean, you ain't gotta hold it forever, but put some good pressure on it, let it sit, let that pressure get that adhesive on there, okay? My grubby hands are making these things a mess. So, as you can see, looks pretty good. Quick microfiber here. Wipe it down. Oop, it's mad again. Anyway, so let's check it one more time. Looks good. It's not rubbing. I was a little worried about it hitting the door as I seen these, and I don't know if it's gonna leave, you know, smudge marks every time you try to touch this thing, but you know, time will tell. And like I said, for the money, if you like it, you think it gives it a good look, it's worth a shot. It's not gonna hurt your paint. You can always pull it back off. And hey, you never know, I might be doing a video on how to remove these things if I just absolutely can't stand them. So that's that one. I'm gonna move on to the back there and see how it goes. I'll meet you over here, and then after that one, I'll probably just knock them all out, and then we'll back up a little bit and take a look at this thing and see, hey, if we like it, don't like it, hate it, love it, you know, whatever. All right, let's head to this one. All right, guys, here we are at the back. So, same thing. I just cleaned this car. Super, I mean, you can tell, it's super clean. I like this windshield pearl. That pearl looks really good. So anyway, super clean, but if your car is not clean, you're gonna wanna wash it first, possibly. Or if you don't want to, you can just clean the handle. You can use a little soap and water first, come in with a little bit of alcohol, get all the grease and whatnot off. If you've been touching this thing, right? You can use a microfiber if you want. All right, just give her a wipe, right? Dry it off, make sure it's clean, or you can use some blue shop towels, whatever you got. Just nothing dirty or would have a bit of abrasive or anything like that. You want something soft. Microfiber being the best, honestly, but that way you don't want to scratch the surface. Now you say, hey, how you know which one goes on there? That one was easy because it had the keyhole and the keyless entry. It's real easy to tell. Well, here they are. Boom, right? Look the same? Well, that's because, put this one on. Oh man, okay, yeah, it fits nice. All right, take this one. Boom, same. All right, so what I'm doing is, I'm gonna look and see which one. This one has, I'm looking at them, right? So there's like a little bit of an imperfection on this one. So basically, I'll use that one on the other side, because on the other side, it'll be on the bottom and you won't be able to see it. And it's no big deal, right? So I'll use this one on this side, that one on that side. Same thing. So we'll just come in. That's what you can do. You can just kind of look at it. But what I'm getting at is they're the same on both sides, and no big deal. So let me pull this tape off because it could be a bit of a pain and I have no nails. So let me get this tape off and I'll come right back to you and we'll throw this on. All right, guys, got that peeled off. And when I said take tape off, you know, I meant the red backing there. No big deal. Not the actual tape, just the red backing. That's my bad on that. All right, so install. Pretty much the same as the front, right? So you're just gonna line that baby up best you can. You know, you can kind of start in the front or back. I just like to go straight in. You can kind of feel it out as you go. Just go real slow. Line it up. And you'll feel it kind of want to go right where it wants to be. Boom, got it. Make sure you're happy with it. Take a good look. Okay, it looks pretty good. I don't think that's gonna hit. You can check it real quick. Yep, boom, not gonna hit. All right, cool. Now, press it. All right, you're gonna get that pressure on there. That gets that adhesive sticking nice on that door handle for you. Just a little bit of pressure. You don't have to hold it forever, but you know, if you hold it a little bit longer, obviously, keep a little pressure on it, it's not gonna hurt it any. I mean, it's good to make sure that's completely stuck, and you just wanna work your way the whole way down. Make sure it's stuck completely on. You don't wanna be going down the road and these things are bling, 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 flying off. You get to wherever you're going, you got one left, and you're like, oh, all right then. Back to Amazon, order me a few more, right? So let's just get it on there the first time. And that ought to do it. Looks pretty sick, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, you can already see just from this angle, right? The tinted window coming down to this. I feel it's really gonna tie this thing together. And I mean, I know they're cheap, they're just plastic, whatever. It's not normally my thing to do this kind of stuff, but you know what? I'm trying it out. I think it looks good, it's cheap. If I don't like it, it's not gonna hurt the car. Rip the things off, clean it up, done. So, hey, maybe you're in the same boat. Maybe you're thinking, hey, how they look on my car, how they fit, whatever. Well, this is it. Let me go ahead and do the other side real quick. We'll do a quick little walk here and show you what they look like and see if you love them or hate them. See if I love them or hate them. Because, I don't know, maybe in the same video I might be pulling them off if I just can't stand it. All right, let me get the other ones and I'll get right back to you. All right, guys, just like that, boom, through the magic of YouTube, done. Now, I think those look really, really good. You tell me, but that really ties that side of that car in. I mean, you can look at the mirror right here. Boom, boom. Look, black tires, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you see me. All right, so we got tinted out windows, the rain guards, this. It all just flows, I think. So we'd get a little bit of maybe a splitter on here, a little ground effect there. Lower the altitude a little. Do something with these bad boys. I think we're onto something. Looks good. I mean, come on now, 17 bucks. Let's go. Come on. What do you think? Comment down below what you think. I mean, I think it looks really good. Time will tell how they last and fade and whatever, or don't fade. But I mean, the fitment is good. Let me see if we can get it focused in here for you. So obviously you can see a little bit of white in there, but no big deal. I was watching, just looking at the edges, super tight fit. I was afraid it might hit the paint, and it's really close, but the plastic itself does not. It's close, but it doesn't. So that's all that matters. You want a good fit like that. So that it looks nice and clean. And mine, those being black and this car being white, like you'd be able to see anything that was showing. So, I mean, the fitment on these things, really good. I mean, it's pretty amazing for the money. So, again, we'll just do a quick boom. This is kind of from the back here. Yep, I'm digging it. Pretty good. All right, well, that's them, guys. Do one more little shot over here. Let you kind of get a feel for it. Oh, yeah. Tell me what you think. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys, so that's it. They're installed. Man, I think they look really good. I love them. I think they look sweet. Now, a few days, we'll see how they go. Hopefully they stay on. I'm sure it's not gonna be a problem because once I stuck them on there, the tape, I mean, I tried to give them, you know, some pulls or whatever. They're super solid. So I don't think there's gonna be any problems there. But I'm really like kind of the flavor it gave, I guess. It really tied a lot of stuff together for the money. I'll leave a link down at the bottom there so you can kind of, something you're interested in, you might want to check out. I mean, if this was a red car, I think it would look really good. I mean, most colors, black, obviously you wouldn't do it, right? But, man, I like it. I think it looks really good. So I hope you do too. If not, hey, now you know you don't like it. You know, you don't like them. But this way you kind of know how they fit, for the cost, how they might look, whatever. I hope it helped you decide whether you like them or don't like them or want them or don't want them or either way. So I got a few other things coming for this car. We're gonna keep trucking along doing these little mods and things, and hopefully inform some people on so they don't have to buy it and find out it don't fit, maybe waste some money, waste some time. So I don't know, hopefully it helps some of you out. And yeah, definitely let me know in the comments what you think. Also, I'm looking for a name for this car. So if you have any ideas, throw it down there at the bottom. And we always name all of our cars, so we get something, we always throw a name on it. We haven't figured one out for this one yet. But yeah, let me know. It's starting to look like a stormtrooper now that I'm looking at it. But all right, well, I appreciate you watching. You know, like, subscribe, all the YouTube stuff. If you don't mind, that'd be great. If not, hey, that's fine too. But I'm gonna keep, if you like this kind of stuff, or you like this car, you wanna see what I'm doing with it, you know, you can do the little notification thing, that'll keep you up on my videos. And I do a lot of other stuff. You can kind of look through, you know, my past videos if you want, and kind of see what I do a little here and there. And I do a lot more. I just bad about videoing it, because videoing takes way more time. I could just knock it out and be done. Because this job right here, right, if you were to do it, you buy it, you get the parts, you have, let's say you have the alcohol, you have the rags, you have everything that you need, boom, right there. You can literally throw these on, all 4 of them, clean them up, put them on, everything in like less than 10 minutes. I'm not even kidding. That's how quick and easy these are. And they, $17 and 10 minutes of work, I think the results are great. So, but anyway, I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.